Oh no. Oh no, guys. I think my power supply is dead. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ken, and thanks for watching Ken Is This. Today, guys, on the channel, we will be changing out the power supply unit on my computer. So guys, I think that my power supply has died on my computer. I recently put in a new GPU, and ever since then my power supply has been making some noises. But on top of that, my power supply is pretty old. I've had this computer for close to about 10 years now. So, you know, just with upgrading and using it so much, I kind of figured that it was on its last leg. And I don't know if I said this already, but it was making noises before it died, so I kind of already knew that it was already on its last leg. But today, guys, on the video, we are just gonna be opening up my PC. I'm gonna clean it out a little bit. I got a can of air here. I'm just gonna use to kind of remove some of the dust before putting in the new power unit. And I have a little paintbrush just to kind of agitate more of the dust and get it out of the PC as much as I can. I wish I had a vacuum, but I'm not gonna really be doing that today. I'm just gonna use the brush and the can of air. But yeah, guys, I also picked up one of these power supply units at Best Buy. This is just, you know, a power supply unit that they had. I wasn't really trying to invest too much into this PC because it is so old. I'm just trying to get it back up and running. So I got this one, and we'll see what it can do. Hopefully it's compatible with my PC. I'm not too familiar with putting in power supplies. This is my first time ever putting in a power supply, so I just want to let you guys know that. But yeah, guys, I just picked this one up at Best Buy. Honestly, it's one of the cheaper ones, and hopefully, like I said, it's compatible with my PC, and hopefully it's easy to install. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be unboxing this, cleaning up this PC, and getting this installed, and hopefully praying, fingers crossed, that my PC only needs a new power supply. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alright, guys, so I have already gone ahead and unplugged the PC. I also have taken off the back screws that are attached to the PC. So I'm just gonna slide off the cover. But yeah, guys, I'm first just gonna agitate the dust using this paintbrush, and then I'm gonna use this can of air to remove as much dust in the PC before adding the power supply. Let's go. Alright, guys, so I've gone ahead and brushed and used the can of air on the PC to get out as much dust as possible, and it looks a lot better. Definitely still a lot of dust, could have done a little bit more of a deep clean, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about changing out this power supply unit because it no longer works. So guys, what I'm going to do now is start by unplugging all of the things that are attached to the power supply unit. From my research, it doesn't seem like it's too hard to unplug everything and too hard to plug everything back in. Again, I am a novice person when it comes to putting together PCs, but from my research, it doesn't look like it's too hard to do. So yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a picture of how things look right now, see all the things that are plugged in, and then once I get the new power supply installed, be able to kind of mimic that picture and plug everything back in. So yeah, guys, Let me know in the comments if you guys are actual, PC builders, that if I'm doing this right so far. And let me know in the comments what you guys think of my cleaning of the PC already. But yeah, guys, let's take a picture and get this power supply out of this PC. Let's go. Alright, let's take a picture. Cool. All right, let's start unplugging. All right, you guys, I think I finally got all of the cords unattached. The power supply is now not attached to anything, but yeah, guys, got everything unattached from the power supply. Now it's time to get the power supply out of the tower. Let's go. Check it out, guys. The power supply is out. RIP power supply OG. But yeah, guys, it's out. We, as you can see, still have a lot of dust down here. I'm gonna clean up before I put in the new power supply, guys. Super excited. We're gonna unbox this soon. Woo! Just gonna use the good old brush and can of air routine to get this dust in here out. All right, guys, now that we have the PC cleaned out, the old power supply out, it is now time to unbox this power supply. So yeah, guys, this power supply that I got at Best Buy is the Thermaltake Smart Series power supply. It is a 700 watt power supply, 80 plus rating. And yeah, guys, we're gonna bust this open and see if it works with my PC. All right, guys, let's go. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, check it out. Got some paperwork. Perfect. Has the plug. Awesome. And check it out. Comes bubble wrapped. Look at that. Some zip ties. Nice zip ties. And let's check out this Mama Jamma. I think that's all that's in there. Some gel package, which is really nice. But yeah, guys, that is the Smart Series 700 watt Thermaltake unboxing. But yeah, let's look at this thing. Wow, look at it. Look at the bubble wrap. Look at all these cords. I like it. It looks really organized, really nice. Perfect. Let's see. What else this has underneath this plastic wrap? Wow, check it out, guys. Looks really nice. Check it out. Thermal Smart Series. Look at that. It has a fan. This one has a fan compared to my old one. It doesn't have a fan, so upgrade. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, and of course it's pretty much double the power as my other one. My other one was 350, and this one is 700 watts. All right, guys, so yep, now I'm gonna install the power supply into the PC. I'm gonna make sure that the fan is facing downwards, so that way it's able to go inside this vent down here and just push out the air through the vent on the bottom of the tower. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna install this, and then we're gonna start plugging everything in to the power supply. Let's go. All right, guys, I got the power supply installed. It's screwed in. Now I'm going to start attaching all the cords back to the motherboard and to all of the other components. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I have gone ahead and plugged everything back in to the best of my ability. Sorry I didn't get a time lapse of it because I was using my phone as a reference because I took a picture of what was plugged in before I wow, it's a big chunk. But yeah, guys, I took a picture of what it looked like before I unplugged everything, and I just used my phone to mimic what was plugged in before. So it looks like everything that was plugged in before is still plugged in or plugged back in. And yeah, guys, I think it is time to power this up. I know my cables are kind of all over the place, but I'm gonna do that once I know this computer powers up from the new power supply. So everything's plugged back in. Let's plug in this power supply and test this computer. Actually, I'm gonna put in my GPU first, and then we're gonna power up this computer. So let's go. So yeah, guys, the GPU I'm using is this PNY 1030 GPU. I'm just gonna install this back in. All right, guys, so yep, the graphics card is in, everything is plugged in. Again, sorry about the mess on the cords, but we're just gonna plug this in to see if the power supply is the problem with my PC not turning on. All right, guys, so let's go. All right, guys, got it plugged in. Everything's plugged in. Time of truth. Is it gonna turn on? Oh! Let's go! Let's go. Smart 700 watts installed on my iBuyPower PC. Let's go. All right, guys, gonna plug this in, plug everything in. And so far it looks like everything's going well. Everything's powering up, power is on, sounds amazing. Doesn't have any of that squeakiness like my old power supply did. And yeah, guys, I'm very excited. So I'm gonna try to button this up. I'm gonna turn it off, and we are going to see what the PC looks like. Woo! All right, guys, so yep, I've gone ahead and zip tied my cords up here together, as well as my cords up here. The power supply did come with a couple extra cords, like a PCIe cord and some other, I guess, molar cables. But I'm not gonna really use those, or I don't really have a need for them. So I'm just gonna tuck them down here like I did before. So that way next time I decide to upgrade my PC, they're easily accessible, which is kind of cool with this power supply. So definitely am excited about that. But yeah, guys, just gonna tuck this in here. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna button up the PC, power it up, and see what it is working with. I also like that the power supply came with these extra screws and zip ties, so I didn't really have to worry about getting my own zip ties, and it's really nice having some extra screws just in case like my old screws are stripped or anything. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna get this PC buttoned up, we're gonna close it up and see how it's running with the new power supply. Let's go. Alright, guys, as you can see, I am on my PC. This is just my streaming setup I have for my Tortoise Tuesdays every Tuesday with me and my tortoise Yoshi. But yeah, guys, this is my computer running all of my cameras. This is another tortoise camera I have, and it's running pretty smoothly now that I have the new power supply unit. So I'm very excited and very happy with the power supply. Everything seems like it's powering up. Everything is connecting pretty well, and yeah guys, I have no complaints. But yeah guys, let's try using this camera. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am currently streaming on my PC. Everything is running pretty smoothly. It's able to handle everything that I was able to plug into it, and it sounds so much more quieter than my last power supply. So yeah guys, that was my unboxing of this here Smart Series power supply by Thermaltake. Cool all your life. This was the Smart 700 watt power supply. But yeah guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Ken. Thanks for watching Ken Into This, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.